Hi. Welcome to our class. Today we will discuss how to add and subtract rational expression with common denominators. Recall that when you add or subtract fractions, the denominators must be the same. Example, 3/5 plus 1/5. Since the denominators are the same, we simply copy the common denominator and perform the operation in the numerator. So, 3/5 plus 1/5 is 4/5. The same is true of adding and subtracting rational expressions. The denominators must be the same expression and then you can add or subtract the numerators. Let us have this example. 2 over 5x, plus 8 over 5x. Are the denominators the same? Yes, the denominators are both 5x. So, we copy the common denominator and perform the operation in the numerator. That will give us 10 over 5x. Looking at the sum, we can simplify it by factoring out the common factor 5. Therefore, the simplest form of the sum is 2 over x. Next example. X squared minus 4, over x minus 3, minus 2x minus 1, over x minus 3. It is good practice to place the numerators in parentheses, especially when subtracting rational expressions. The entire expression in the second numerator is being subtracted. Think of the minus sign like distributing -1 to that numerator. Looking at the given expressions, the denominators are the same, then we simply copy it and perform the operation in the numerator. The numerator now is x squared minus 4, minus the binomial 2x minus 1. Distributing the negative sign, we have x squared minus 4, minus 2x plus 1. Then we combine like terms, will lead to x squared minus 2x minus 3. The difference of the given expressions is x squared minus 2x minus 3, over x minus 3. But we can still factor the numerator using the steps in factoring quadratic trinomials. Its factored form is x minus 3 times x plus 1. We can now cancel x minus 3, because it is common both to the numerator and denominator. Then our final answer is x plus 1. Next example. 10 over x minus 3, minus 2x plus 9 over x minus 3, plus 5x minus 7 over x minus 3. Since the denominators are equal, we simply copy it. Again, we write the numerators in parentheses. This way, we are reminded to distribute the negative sign. Distributing the negative sign, we have 10 minus 2x minus 9, plus 5x minus 7. Combining like terms, the numerator now is 3x minus 6. So, the simplest form of the given expressions is 3x minus 6, over x minus 3. Even though you can still factor the numerator as 3 times x minus 2. We cannot cancel any term because it is not common to both numerator and denominator. Remember, you are not allowed to cancel 3 and -3, because -3 is part of the binomial term x minus 3. So our answer can be 3x minus 6, over x minus 3. 4, 3 times x minus 2, over x minus 3. Next example. P squared plus 8p minus 15, over 3p squared minus 9p, minus 4p plus 6, over 3p squared minus 9p. Again, the denominators are the same, so we just copy it. Then, we write the numerators in parentheses. Distributing the negative sign, the numerator now is p squared plus 8p minus 15 minus 4p minus 6. Simplifying it, will lead to p squared plus 4p minus 21. Both numerator and denominator can be factored. The numerator is a quadratic trinomial. Its factored form is p plus 7 times p minus 3. The denominator can be factored using the GCF. Its factored form is 3p times p minus 3. Both numerator and denominators have the binomial factor p minus 3. We can cancel it. Therefore, the difference of the given expressions is p plus 7, over 3p. For our last example, find the sum of 2x over x minus 5, and 10 over 5 minus x. Are the denominators the same? No, they are not the same. But they are almost the same, only that the terms have opposite signs. They are called opposite binomial factors. We can rewrite 5 minus x as negative of negative 5 plus x. Or this is the same as factoring out negative 1. Then, we can arrange it as negative of x minus 5. We can now write the given operation as 2x over x minus 5, minus 10 over x minus 5. Since the denominators are now the same, we just copy it and perform the operation in the numerator. That is 2x minus 10, over x minus 5. The numerator can be factored using the GCF, we can write it as 2 times x minus 5. X minus 5 is common to both numerator and denominator. We can cancel it out. Therefore, our final answer is 2. Now, it's your turn to answer. Perform the indicated operation. I will give you 15 seconds to answer. Time is up. The right answer is 2x plus 7. Good job if you got it correctly. Here's the solution. Try the next one. I will give you 45 seconds to answer. Time is up. The correct answer is b plus 5, over 4b. Congratulations if you have the right answer. I hope you learned something new today. Until next time. Goodbye and God bless.